bright and sunny, lived a goat who was so funny. He'd hop and skip and jump around, making friends with every sound. Oh, the silly little goat, he'd dance on the boat. He'd twirl and spin, laugh and grin, having fun all day. Let's begin. He tried to climb the chicken coop, fell in the hay with a happy swoop. The pigs all squealed, the cows went moo as the goat danced. Yahoo! Yahoo! Oh, the silly little goat, he'd dance on the boat. He'd twirl and spin, laugh and grin, having fun all day. Let's begin. He wore a hat made out of hay, played with the ducks all through the day. The farm was filled with lots of cheer, 'cause the silly goat was always near. Oh, the silly little goat, he'd dance on the boat. He'd twirl and spin, laugh and grin, having fun all day. Let's begin. He raced the horses round the track with a bucket on his back. He jumped so high, he touched the sky. The farm animals cheer and sigh. Oh, the silly little goat, he'd dance on the boat. He'd twirl and spin, laugh and grin, having fun all day. Let's begin. He found a hill and rolled down fast. The chickens clucked and were aghast, but the goat just giggled with delight, playing farm games day and night. Oh, the silly little goat, he'd dance on the boat. He'd twirl and spin, laugh and grin, having fun all day. Let's begin. At the end of the day, he'd rest a bit. In a pile of straw, he'd snugly sit. The stars would twinkle, the moon would glow, but the silly goat was ready for more. Oh, the silly little goat, he'd dance on the boat. He'd twirl and spin, laugh and grin, having fun all day. Let's begin.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.